Hey, what's up everyone? Okay, I'm going to install the steering arms for the TRZ Motorsports Billet Spindles. I'm going to install the hubs with the sealed ceramic bearings. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. And I'm going to install the brake hardware, hopefully get the calipers on, and rotors. So yeah. Before I get started, I'm going to show you my solution for mounting the ceramic fairing hubs, because you can't just put them on and go. What I found out is that you want to get it to where it's not wiggling around, you don't have any end play, but you still got to line it up for the cotter key. So I got these shims. These are 5,000 shims, a pack of 10, and then I got a pack of 10 1,000 shims. Got these from McMaster Car, because what I want to do is I want to be able to have the free rotation with no binding on the bearing, but I want to be able to line up the nut to get the cotter key through. So first I'm going to put on the steering arm. I'll put on the mounting plate for the caliper, install the hub, and then I can install the bump steer kit, the Heim joints out here, and hopefully measure for tie rods. So let's get started. So I'm going to point something out here. If you get these TRZ Motorsports Billet Spindles for the second Gen Camaro, now remember, talked about this in one of my earlier videos. These strange brackets are marked. So that's left. Inboard side, it tells you which side goes in. You got the countersink up here for the top bolt. So with these spindles, instead of having your caliper sitting up here like this, like it would on a second gen stock spindle, now the caliper is back here, right? To do that, you flip these brackets, so the right becomes the left and the left becomes the right. So I just thought I'd point that out if you're using the strange engineering brakes that I'm using. Okay, so sealed bearings, ceramic, pressed in. This is from Performance Bearing. Um, if you want to have this done to your hubs, it starts at $800 for a set of bearings that's left and right. You don't have to oil them, you don't grease them, you don't service them. No dust seals on the inside. You literally just put them on like that, tighten it down, and you're done. I already figured out how many shims I need. I need a shim stack of 6,000 on this side to get rid of any end play. So I will use a 5,000th, and then I will use a 1,000th. And the point is, like I said, the goal is to get rid of any end play so it's not wobbling around. But you don't want to cinch the bearing down and bind it up. So there's a 5,000 shim. I think I'll put the 1,000th on the inside since this one's a little more robust. So that's no end play. Okay, so I have to add a couple more thou in there. So that's no end play. I didn't get the cotter key in. So 8,000ths worth of shims. Put it right where it needs to be. I'm pretty happy with that. So it spins better than a greased bearing would, and it's going to last so much longer. So pretty excited about that. Next I'll be putting on caliper and the rotor. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching my video. Thanks for tuning into my channel and watching my content, and I'm hoping that I'm passing on some information that everybody out there can pick up and use for themselves, or at least pass on to somebody else who is looking to do modifications like this. Looking behind me, you can see my firewall. That's going to be my next project, is to smooth the firewall, clean it up, and get rid of the cowl boxes on the ends there, so I can sneak some headers through the side of the car. So until then, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.